This is a voting service system is built using Spring Boot and React.js. I done this project using this ID. Here inside terminal you can see the Spring Boot project running with a running port on 8090 which is on localhost. Now let's move on a frontend which built using React.js library in VS Code. Now let's you run by its open the terminal. Here you can see all the file using ls command. Now let's run by open terminal. This is running on port 5137 on localhost. Now refreshing the browser will load this page. This is a home page of voting service system project, and these all the political parties participating according to constituencies. At the top there are login, sign up and home button. Clicking login and take both user and admin to the login page where they choose whether login as an admin or user, etc. This is a voting registration page form. In this form the user can register themselves as a voter by filling in their details correctly. Now let's go for home. Where everyone can see the votes for each party in a public and transparent manner. Thank you.